Hello folks, Samsung announced last month that the One UI 6.1 update would be made available to 2023 Galaxy flagships in March, and to say true to its word, the company will have to move quickly as there's less than a week left before we enter the month of April. Last week, Samsung Korea revealed that the update would be released for the Galaxy S23 series on March 28. However, we weren't convinced because of how long it takes for Samsung to bring One UI 6.1 to the masses compared to previous .1 updates. However, March 28 may indeed be the day Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra and S23 FE owners have been waiting for, as over the weekend Samsung China sent a notification to its users that mentions the same date for the rollout. Samsung Korea also reiterated the date in response to users on the Samsung community forums, and it also suggested that the Galaxy S23 FE would get the update on March 28 as well. The Fan Edition models don't usually get updates simultaneously as the non-FE models, but the One UI 6.1 update could be an exception. Samsung will hopefully release the update for the Galaxy Fold 5, Flip 5 and the Galaxy Tab S9 on March 28 as well, though One UI 6.1 may not go live in every country before the end of the month. It could take all of April for the update to become available to users in every corner of the world. As usual, Samsung will launch its new smartwatch in the second half of this year. Earlier this month, we reported the Galaxy Unpacked event will be held in July 2024, a few weeks earlier than usual, and Samsung is making changes to the entire Galaxy Watch lineup. Samsung will have 3 variants of the Galaxy Watch 7, one higher than usual. However, we still don't know what each of them will be named. Samsung is also upgrading the storage on its upcoming smartwatch, doubling it from 16GB on the Galaxy Watch 6 to 32GB on the Galaxy Watch 7. Higher storage will offer better headroom to store offline music for outdoor workouts even after installing apps and watch faces. Samsung is also changing the whole model number scheme with the Galaxy Watch 7. The first variant has 2 model numbers, SML300 and SML305. The next variant's model numbers are SML310 and SML350, while the highest end variant of the Galaxy Watch 7 comes with model numbers SML700 and SML705. The model numbers ending with the number 5 might be the ones with cellular connectivity and eSIM. Previous reports claimed the Galaxy Watch 7 will be Samsung's first product with a 3nm chip. It will reportedly be 50% more power efficient compared to the Galaxy Watch 6. It might also run a newer version of Wear OS and One UI Watch featuring more advanced features. Anyway guys, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, good luck to all.